are in contravention of the Constitution. Honorable Chairs, allow me to say something on establishment and entrenchment of state offices. One, the office of the leader of the official opposition, and two, the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. Honorable Chairs, the National Council of Churches of Kenya is on record recommending that measures be taken to provide for a dignified opposition. The proposal for creation of the office of the leader of the official opposition is therefore a step in the right direction. Quite notably, there was appointed a holder of the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, a position that currently does not exist in the Constitution. The proposed establishment of the office of this office is therefore a move to legalize what already exists. Recognizing that the establishment of the two positions would change the structure of government as outlined in the Constitution, we recommend that a people-driven process be created to run in which Kenyans debate about the two proposed positions to determine their scope, mandate, and implications. Thank you, Honorable Chairs.
Well, Honorable Chairs, we are getting to the conclusion. We have also spoken to the